Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a Google Calendar event template. This is a great way to save time by reusing the same event setup for meetings, appointments, or recurring tasks. Now let's get started. In Google Calendar, you may already have a past meeting that you want to use again. Let's say it has the same people, the same guests, and the same location. If you want to use it for a future event, all you need to do is click on that event. As you can see, this meeting was on March 31st and has already passed. We will now use it as a template. Just click Edit to open the event, then update the date and time. For example, we can change the date and time to April 20th. Everything else stays the same, so we do not need to fill in all the details again. Once we are done, just click Save. As you can see, the meeting is now set up with the new date, just like before. And that's how we create a Google Calendar event template. With this simple method, we can quickly set up events without starting from scratch every time.